Hello coders, welcome to my channel Radhe Radhe. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the sliding window. This is the second video of our sliding window playlist. In this lecture, we will discuss about two questions of the sliding window. One is simple easy one, and the second will be median from the lead code. The first question that we have is the medium question and the easy one, maximum average sub array. So what the question is saying, you are given an integer array num and consisting of an integer n elements and an integer k. So basically we have given an array of n element of length n, and we have given a integer k. Now we have to find a continuous sub array whose length is equals to k, that has the maximum average value. Return this value and the answer will be calculated calculation error less than 10 means what is meant to say is that we have to find a subarray whose length is k, okay, and from all the subarrays we have to find that average value which is maximum among all of them. Like let us consider we have 4, we will find 4 average of these 4, we will find average of these 4, we will find average of these 4, and so on, and then we will check the maximum among all this, and that will be our answer. So now the before going to optimize solution, we will start with the brute force. So we all know that if there's any subarray question, generally in the brute force approach, we will generate all the subarrays and then check the condition. Similarly, we will do the same thing. It will accept the it will accept the brute force, but as a programmer, we always know the optimized solution. So the what will be the optimized solution? That will be solved with the help of sliding window. Now how you get to know that sliding window will use, because keep one thing in your mind, that when there is some question related to subarray and some condition is given, then generally sliding window concepts use, okay. So now let's see what the question is saying and how we will approach it. We have given a subarray, okay, of length n. We have given 112 1 12 minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 50 and 3. So now what we will do, as we know that as in the first lecture I told about the simple template of the sliding window. We will use the same template, but some minor difference because of the condition is different. That's why. So what we will do, we will put I here and j here. We will check if if length equals to k. How we'll find the length? We will find the length by doing j minus 1 plus j minus I plus 1. So this is a simple way to calculate the length. So if we will see that it will be equals to k, then yes, so then we will got the array, valid array. So we will just calculate it average. But in this case, we have given k equals to 4, but here is the length is 1 only. So if the length is smaller than 4, what we will do, we will need a more elements. So we will just move the j pointer, because we have to increase the length, and length is increased by moving the second pointer, that is the end pointer. This j is basically end, and index pointing the end of that subarray. Now again we say that it is 2 only length, so we will move the j pointer to one step ahead. Again we will see it's 3, and but our k is 4, so we will again move the j pointer, and we will we will check, yes, this is equals to k. So we can say this is one of the valid subarray. So we will basically, we will simply what we'll do, we will just sum all these numbers and then divide it by the k. We will get the average, and if we get the average, we will store in the maximum maximum variable, which is store the all the maximum among all the valid subarrays. Okay. Once we will get k equals to once we will get subarray equals to k, what we'll do, we need to move our window. And how we move our window, we move with the first or a starting pointer. We will just decrease the sum, because we are in I missed something, that we will calculate the sum by increasing just j. Once we will decrease the sum by nums I, and we will move the I pointer here. But means the same thing that we have done in finding the sum of uh, less than k. I think less than or what k in the in my first lecture. What the question? I'm forgetting that question, but the same approach we have used over there. So in simple word, what I mean to say, once we will get I and k. Let's consider this is I and this is j, and we are summing all of them. Okay, once we will get k, I length equals to k, then what we will do, we will first decrease the sum. Why will again into why will means if we have what we will do, we have this sub array. Okay, now we have to move the sliding window, so we will move this window to here. So now we will know the sum from here to here. So if we start calculating the sum from again here, it will take time. So what we will do, we have this one, we will just what we'll do, we just remove this part, because we need this to this. Okay, we will just remove this part we will remove, and we will just add this part. That's why what I'm doing, I'm just decreasing sum by nums I, and then moving I pointer, and then the j will proceed the same way we are doing in the same thing, the way we are doing, like j increasing if length is smaller than k. The simple thing, a simple standard sliding window concept we are doing here. So now let's jump to the code. What this code, like we have larger, we want value in double, because we want in decimal, so we use the double as a double type. Then we will take two pointer I and j. Then we will take one sum to uh, to take care about the sum of the elements. Now the loop will go from j smaller than nums dot size. Now we are doing the calculation. We will just sum the num current number, and we check if the length is smaller than k. Oh, so we don't get the valid array, so we will increase the element by doing j plus plus. Or else, if we get the equals to array, means if we get number equals to k, so what we'll do, we will just take the average of that number and put it into the answer array, which take care about the maximum among all of them. And then again we are removing that nums1 nums I, and we are increasing our moving our sliding window, and again we are moving j to calculate the next k element. Okay, and after that we will return the answer. So now I will talk about the time complexity. It's simple taking O of n, because one while loop is used. So O of n is the time complexity. Okay. Okay. So now if we submit, you will see all our test cases will pass. Now you can see that this is one of the best method to solve this question, because O of n is one of the best time complexity. We can solve using O of n square also, but as a programmer, optimization optimized solution is the best one. Okay, so now this is the first question. Now let's move to the second question. Now let's see what the second question is saying. This is the medium level. from lead code. Number of substring containing all three characters. We have given a string containing consisting only character ABC. Return the number of substring consisting at least one occurrence of all these character ABC. So basically the question is saying that we have given a string, okay, and the string consists of only three characters, means only three ABC. Occurrence is more than one, but it has only ABC. Now we have to return a substring, number of substring which have at least one occurrence of ABC. At least means that um, at least means that A, B, C is must present one time. All three must present one time, and more than that is also valid. Okay, so that is the meaning that ABC will be there. Its occurrence is also allowed, but if AB is there and C is not there, then that's not a valid case. Okay. So now if it's given at least and ABC is only. So if we think about the occurrence part, if we talk about the frequency, the one thing that comes in the mind is the map, because map is the one of the thing. Map is the one of the best use of map is to take care about the frequency. So the same thing we will do here. We will use the map, and the subarrays substring or subarrays question is related to this. So generally I said that we will use the sliding window. So this is the sliding window plus hashing problem. All right. Now how the sliding window, because subarray is given, you can use different method only also, but sliding window is one of the best approach to solve any subarrays question. So here sliding window will use, and this we need frequency, something related to frequency. So hashing is used. Okay, so this is sliding window plus hashing problem. So now see, okay, sorry. So now we have given a test case A B C A B C A B C A B C. Now what number of valid subarray? Let's see how many number of valid we have. We need three only. We need ABC in all of them, all of the substrings. So we have one, we have two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 substring containing all three, and you can see the answer is also 10. So now what's the approach? As I said that we need all of three, existing all of three. Now uh, we will make a U map. Okay, we will take care about all the character in that particular string. Like we have this, so we have A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to 1. If again A come is 2, again if B come is 2, C come not B 3. So you can see that it doesn't depend on frequency. Frequency not matter a lot here. We need UMAP. We have ABC, and we will check the size of this. It is 3. Mean the size of that. If we want that all the A, B, C should be in that particular substring, we have to check that what is the size of map. If the size of map is 2, it means either it will be containing A or B or C, means only 2, AB or BC or AC, anything. But if the map size is 3, it shows that we have all of 3 in that particular substring. Okay, so that's why we will that's why the condition it will, the thing that the condition that we need condition for all the substring. So here the condition is that we will check the size of the map. If the size of the map equals to 3, it means that is the valid subarray. Okay, so the same thing we are calculating. And now I think everything is clear till now. Okay, now what, how, now one question arises that how we will move the window. Once we will reach over there, how we will move the window? So one thing I would like to ask that if we have ABC, if we get ABC here, if we get answer equals to 3 here only, is there a need to check for ABCA? Means once we get to ABC, so if we add another element from the uh, uh, from the next step, if we get ABC here only, so it is true. It means it is common sense that we will the subarray from ABCA is also containing 3. Means get uh, if we if we get ABC here only, it uh, it will also have ABC here only. It will not decrease our subarrays. It will not delete our ABC from by adding another element from the start from next step. Means what I mean to say is that we have given ABC, okay, and again ABC. Now we have ABC. We get ABC here. So if once the array is valid, once the length of the array is 3, if we add more number, the array length will not decrease, it will only increase. It means if once the array, this one is valid, it means this is also valid, this is also valid, this is also valid. So what we will do once we get the so what we'll do once we get true, means once we get valid array, we don't need to check for rest of them. We will what we will do, we will just we will just increase our count by doing whole length minus index of where the index is plus 1. Means you can see if you can see if our you can see if our j is here, to how many valid subarrays we have. We have ABC, we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, that is 4. So if we'll do this minus this, like length, what is the length? Length is 6 minus what is j? J is 0 1 2 2. What will get? 4. 4 subarray we are getting, and we have also 4 subarray. So what the formula becomes? Formula is j minus I. No, sorry, not j minus I. It's size minus j. Where is the index? Index. Okay, plus 1. So this is the formula to calculate all the valid subarray. So now let's check the let's check the code. Okay, like I said, answer will be consider answer is when we made answer as a array as a variable to keep the record of our answer. Now we will have I and j pointer. We will take in unordered map, and we are then while you loop we have used, we are uh, adding the frequency of the strings in our map, and we are doing j plus plus. Now once we get that size of the array is 3, what we will do, we will uh, what we will do we will remove the first array first from the first side, like we are moving this window. And how we will move the window? As you can see, we move the window by decreasing this one. So here we have map here we need map. So all this calculation is done in map, so we will moving the map. So we are removing map, and if it's a simple thing, if it becomes 0, So we will just remove this that particular element, and we add answer equals to answer minus j plus 1, and then we do I plus plus. So basically this is the calculation part. So this is a calculation part, and this is moving how we are moving the window, and this is calculating the answer, and we are returning the answer here. Means what I mean to say is that that a b c a b c. Okay, so once we get you map equals to 3, length of the map 3, uh, so the valid subarray is from, so means if this is I, so the valid subarray is this one, this one, this one, this one. After that, once we will find all the subarrays starting from index I. We will move the I pointer. We will move the I pointer by before we will move the I pointer. But before moving the I pointer, what we will do? We will remove this occurrence. Remove this occurrence, and then we will move the I pointer. Now the subarrays will be this, this, and this one, and we will calculate the subarrays number of subarrays by doing total length minus j plus 1. So simple, this is the simple question. And now if you want to see the pattern, like I think you observe the pattern, what we will do, we will simply what we'll do, we will make two pointer, we will use while loop, then we'll do some calculation, and we will check if it's satisfying the condition. If yes, then we calculate the answer, or else not, we are moving our window. We are moving our window. So this is a simple, basic, standard method of sliding window. I hope you understand both the question. I'll provide the code in the uh, in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.